Hi everyone, it's Mallory. Today I'm going to show you the neck release on the foam roller. This is a great tool if you're having jaw tension, neck tension, sinus pressure, and if you're just overall stressed. This one really helps calm my system. I especially use it when I'm having a hard time falling asleep. And I think you're going to love it. So let's get started. So we're going to lay down on our backs and we're going to place the foam roller behind the neck. Get your hair out of the way, any clothing out of the way. You can choose what feels better for you for your legs, if you want to have your legs straight or if you want to have them bent. We're going to start off with a little bit of rotation, rotating your head from one side to the other. Here you can play around with it a little bit. You've got to find that sweet spot for yourself. Does the foam roller need to go up the back of the neck a little bit, down it? Do you need to lift your chin a little bit, drop your chin a little bit? And you'll just have to play around with that while you're rotating and seeing what feels best for you. So when you're rotating, we're going to stop at one side and you're going to do some small circles here. Circling around one side at a time. And then we'll reverse it. So I'm doing about 5 circles in each direction, but you can choose if you want to do 5 to 10, anywhere in between there. And then we're going to rest on a spot, maybe that's kind of talking to you, like, ooh, I need a little bit more attention here. You're going to do a little bit of nose. I call them nose because it's like you're shaking your head no, side to side on this side. And then we're going to do some yeses. So you're lifting your head up and down like you're shaking your head yes. And we're going to rest on this spot and we're going to take 3 deep breaths, breathing into the back of the neck. Every exhale is like you're relaxing even more. Every inhale is you're trying to breathe into that area of tension. And then you exhale, blow out that tension and relax. And now we're going to roll over. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. So we're going to circle. And we'll reverse our circles. Small little nose. Shaking your head side to side on this side. Small little yeses. And then we're going to rest on a spot that's talking to you, wants a little bit more love and attention. We're going to breathe into it. Every exhale, you settle your system even more, relaxing. And we're going to come back to the center, and we're going to draw figure eights. I like to either think of my chin or my nose doing the figure eights. It's a little easier to track. You're going to drop your chin down and around over to one side, up, cross through the center, down and around over to the other side, up, cross through the center. We're going to keep these figure eights going. It's like you're going around and you're getting everything from one side, bringing it into the center, releasing everything from the other side into the center, getting those fluids moving around. And then we're going to reverse it. So you're going to go the other direction. Up and over, down, cross up through the center, up and over, down, up through that center. Reversing your figure eights. Getting a nice little neck massage. And you may notice that one direction is much easier than the other, especially with circles too, you'll feel that as well. We're going to finish up this last figure eight. We're going to come into the center. Now you're going to roll that foam roller up the back of your head, keeping your hands on the foam roller so it doesn't slide out from underneath you. Nod your chin and you feel like you roll that foam roller towards the wall behind you to stretch the back of the neck. And you lift the chin for a little break. Nod the chin to get that lengthening. Lift. And we're going to keep the chin down this time, rotating your head from one side to the other. This way you'll feel all the different angles and fibers of these muscles that attach into the back of the neck. And now with your chin staying down, we're going to rotate your head from side to side. By doing this, we feel all the different fibers, different angles of all those muscle fibers that attach to the back of the neck. And we're going to find what is the tightest for you. So if you're tight here, one angle, stay there. Breathe into it. Stretch it from the inside out. Every exhale, you're convincing yourself to relax even more. One more time. And then you're going to carefully push the foam roller out from underneath you. Let your arms rest down by your side. If you can, let your body go long. And just feel the heaviness of the back of the head into the floor. And feel the softness of your neck. It's also nice to add a little rotation side to side. And see how that feels. Does that feel a little freer? Do you feel a little softer? Thank you for tuning in and watching the neck release on the foam roller. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you continue to use it.